आगे बढ़ेंगे। आंध्र प्रदेश के वजीर आला और तेलुगु देशम पार्टी के सदर एन चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने दिल्ली में एनसीपी लीडर शरद पवार और एनसी लीडर फारूक अब्दुल्ला से मुलाकात की। चंद्रबाबू नायडू राहुल गांधी से 3:30 बजे उनकी रिहाइशगाह पर मुलाकात करेंगे। बाबू नायडू समाजवादी पार्टी लीडरों से भी मुलाकात करेंगे। इन मुलाकातों का मकसद 2019 के आम इंतखाबात के ताल्लुक से मफाहिमत कायम करना है।
The situation seems to be day by day deteriorating. And in such situation, there was a suggestion from Chandrababu, Farooq that we should discuss all these issues collectively.
We all met, as Sharad ji has said, to work out a common minimum program. How do we save democracy? How do we save institutions? How do we save nation? That is the thing on which we met, and as Sharad ji has said, that Chandrababu ji will be talking to all other leaders so that we can meet here in Delhi, and all three of us will be the conveners of that meeting, which will be held here, and you will hear post that what will be achieved. We'll bring you also at that time and tell you exactly what is going to happen.
Country is passing so many problems. Day by day, it is deteriorating further. Either you name democracy and also institutions. Even now, if you see the fate of this nation, great nation, we are all feeling very bad as senior leaders of this country.